the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah, oh my darling, would you take me away? Take me away. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. I don't wanna wake up on my American dream. Oh, my American dream. Oh, American dream. When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah, oh my darling, would you take me away? Take me and it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. I don't wanna wake up on my American dream. Oh, my American dream. Oh, American dream.
I can't help but smiling when I see you, baby. Cause even though you did me dirty, I still seem to crave you. I still want it. And now you're gonna remember all of those times you said no, but I guess we both get what we want. Tell me if you wanna stay tonight. Tell me if you wanna stay tonight. Oh no, no, no. Girl, you know that I'ma do you right. Girl, you know that I'ma do you right. Tell me if you wanna stay tonight. Tell me if you wanna stay tonight. Oh no, no, no. Girl, you know that I'ma do you right. Girl, you know that I'ma do you right.
Mess around and introduce you to my friends like she the only one who's left with it ain't paying right. Yeah, to tell the truth, I ain't the friend type. You wanna slide off in the Benz, right? I ain't got the money on my ends, right? So then she says, yo, it really all depends. Like I'm about to go and meet up with my friends. So hit me when you finally got some money we can spend. for trying to pull a chick who got the mileage. But really, I don't blame her for just trying to pay for college. She a scholar, yo, I hit you when we poppin', girl, I'm all in. You ain't gotta worry when we ballin'. So tell me if you with it, why you stallin'? Probably cause you know that I deliver, put the call in.
I can't help but smiling when I see you, baby. Cause even though you did me dirty, I still seem to crave you. I still want it. And now you're gonna remember all of those times you said no, but I guess we both get what we want.